Welcome back to Melita's Delicacies. Friends, today I have yet another interesting and delicious recipe for you. Quick, easy, street side cutlet pao or the beef cutlet recipe. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. And these are the most delicious beef cutlets, quick, easy to make at home. So for this I have taken here about 400 grams of beef mince. I have nicely washed it and I've squeezed out all the water so that I don't need to add too much of breadcrumb to make it dry later. Now let's season it with 1 teaspoon of salt and about 2 tablespoons of toddy vinegar and give it a good mix. Until then, friends, if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed already, then please do subscribe now for more interesting recipes that I already have in my channel and the more interesting recipes that I will be uploading every Saturday. So let this beef mince rest and get marinated for at least about 20 minutes. Until then, let's prepare the masala. I have here a handful of coriander along with the stems, about 5 spicy green chilies, 5 pods of garlic, a small inch piece of ginger, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, about 15 peppercorns, 5 cloves and a small stick of cinnamon. Grind this into a smooth fine paste without adding any water. Now add the masala to your marinated beef mince and nicely massage it into the mince so that every piece of the mince gets well coated with the masala and your cutlets becomes delicious. Now let this rest for at least another 10 minutes so that it absorbs all the masala. Now here I have already cut my 1 large size roughly chopped onion, a handful of roughly chopped coriander, a 1/2 cup of breadcrumb, these are my dry kind of breadcrumb, and 1 egg. Now here you can cut the onion very fine and also the coriander, but since I'm making a street side kind of cutlets, to make the cutlet pao I am using roughly chopped onion and coriander. Now nicely incorporate everything together. Nicely mix this well and let it rest for about 10 minutes. Now let's crack in the egg that we had taken and mix it well. Now add in your prepared breadcrumbs. Do not add all the breadcrumb at one go. Add as required. Mix it well. I feel I still need a little more, so I will add the remaining and incorporate that also well and let it rest for at least about 10 minutes so that the breadcrumb absorbs the moisture. If you immediately try to make the cutlets, they become crumbly. But if you rest them, see, they become nice, soft, and you can nicely make them, give them the perfect shape. This is a secret to making well-shaped cutlets. Coat them in generous amount of semolina. Now the cutlet size depends totally on your personal preference. I prefer making them large size since I'm making cutlet pao of this, and my dad's favorite is that cutlets, beef cutlets have to be big and chunky. So now my cutlets are ready. I will rest them for 2 minutes and then I will fry it on low to medium flame, about 5 minutes on each side. This ensures that your cutlets are well fried and the meat is also well cooked in this slow frying process. If you fry them on high flame, then you need to also add a lot of oil. So I'm using here less oil also, and it ensures that there is perfect cooking of your cutlets. Swirl in the oil in between so that it's well distributed. After about 5 minutes on low to medium heat, my cutlets are well fried on one side. They do not brown also very quickly, and they become nice and crispy. They get a nice crispy coating. My cutlets are almost ready, and here I am ready to plate them. Are they looking delicious, friends? Them with some homemade tomato ketchup. If you're looking for a tomato ketchup recipe, then I have it in my channel. I'm giving the link in the description. Do watch it. And friends, do watch my chicken cutlets and fish cutlet and the veg cutlet recipe as well. I'm giving the link in my description. Do watch and enjoy them as well. Now let's make the Goan street side Cutlet Pao. Here I have taken the pao. This is basically the bakri, what we call. Add in a generous amount of finely chopped cabbage, capsicum, drizzle with a generous amount of sauce. Place your cutlet and then again add some more generous amount of sauce and some more veggies. And here your delicious, delectable, irresistible Cutlet Pao is ready to be relished. Do try this recipe at home, and don't forget to give your feedback to me in my comment section how you like this video and if you tried this recipe, do let me know how your Cutlet Pao turned out. Thank you for watching this video. See you next week with yet another delicious Goan recipe. Until then, take care. God bless you. See you next week.